Welcome to IGCSE Biology 0610. Work through this course at your own pace. Pause if you need to review or take down notes. There are 21 chapters in IGCSE Biology. Let's get started with Chapter 1 right away. Chapter 1 is about characteristics and classification of living organisms. There are 4 topics in this chapter, and today in this lesson we are going to learn topic 1.1, which is characteristics of living organisms. In this topic, we are going to learn the 7 characteristics of living organisms. In earlier level, in Key Stage 3, you have learned the 7 characteristics, but you only learn to list them. So in Key Stage 4, you're going to learn how to define each one on top of listing them. So in any case, let's revise what you have learned in KS3, which is to list the 7 characteristics of living organisms, and we can use the mnemonic Mrs. Gren. So M stands for movement, R stands for respiration, S stands for sensitivity. I'm sure you could remember because you have used this throughout year 7, 8 and 9. G stands for growth, R stands for reproduction, E stands for excretion, and N stands for nutrition. So in the rest of topic 1.1, we are going to learn the correct definition for each of these characteristics. The first characteristic is movement, and I have included keywords and anchors for keywords to help you remember. So the first characteristic is movement, and the keywords are action by an organism or part of an organism. So the anchor here is, you can see the organism, the lady and the plant, they are all organisms. So action by the organism or part of the organism causing a change. Okay, another keyword is change of position. Here the position of the plant changes, or place. For example, this lady here, she's on rollerblades and she will change not only her position but also her place. So those are the keywords. You can pause the video to write this definition down. It's good to write because writing helps you remember. Also, what I will do in this lesson together with you is help you remember through repetitions. So on the first screen we have the definition written out for you along with the images as anchors for your memory. Then we'll move on to a slide where we have the images but we do not have the text for the definition, and then we try to recall the definition without saying it in text form on the screen. All right? Now let us try and recall the definition for movement using the images given as anchors. So movement is an action by an organism or part of an organism causing change in position or place. Right? So, see, by highlighting the keywords and by using images as anchors and through repetition, we can remember the definition. Okay, so take your time, slowly write down the notes, and we shall do the same for all the other 6 characteristics of living organisms.